Doing away with the I notion is the same as not desiring the personal attainment of enlightenment, not desiring that. The last desire, the last barrier, is having it, for having it is in any case merely being rid of that which concealed what is forever alone that which alone we are. Therefore, not desiring the personal attainment of that is at the same time the elimination of the I notion, which constitutes its concealment. The very idea of liberation automatically inhibits the simple realization we are free. The question, why, comes up as an issue. The indigo children are known to question authority. Is this rebellion? Is this us forgetting the answer? Is this forgetting the truth? Do we question everything around us because of what someone else was taught and is passed down as fact? And the strange and sad thing is, we are now creatures of doubt because there is no one to believe. We are in a world we cannot accept. There are denial and dark clouds that loom over the head of human. It's no one's fault. A memory is different than a memory of a memory. And in the long run, we have forgotten. And the good thing is we don't completely wipe out this human race. We will be forgotten. The anxious lives we are right now will fade in the minds of those after, and will have no purpose of even existing as a rational thought. The irrationality never really was.